You open TikTok and suddenly you get hit with a community guidelines violation. Now, you can't send or receive direct messages for a short time. But wait, you didn't even violate anything. So what's going on? Here's the real reason. When you open your TikTok messages, scammers sometimes send bulk messages and they're all the same. To protect you from these scams, TikTok temporarily limits your messaging. And that's why you get this violation warning. But don't worry, here's how you can protect your account and fix this. First, go to your profile, then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Go to Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Direct Messages. Here, open the permissions and change both options to Don't Receive. Once that's done, go back. Turn off read status, enable safe mode, and also turn on the nude filter. Now go back to your inbox. Tap on the violation message and submit an appeal. After a few hours, you'll see the violation removed message from TikTok, and that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.